this video, I'm so excited to show you how I ordered my fabric for my Valentines dress. I got it from Bulliontex. You can just go to their website, Bulliontex.com, or you can easily go straight to their shop and choose the fabric you need. For my design for my first project, I want something shiny, soft and floating beautifully, so I decided to go with satin. And personally, I don't like very glossy fabric, so we can see on their website they offer so many satin options. So let's see which one is the best for my design. And when you choose satin, you have to focus on the fabric quality and the percentage of polyester or spandex. For this part, you can easily check it on their website and also their price. I think I'm gonna take satin Christina because I guess it's the perfect choice if you are not a fan of the very glossy or very shiny satin look. Let's order the satin Christina. Now let's talk about the satin. The fabric is very smooth and very shiny with very nice quality, and it feels so soft and has no stretch. Also, the price is just 100 baht, so it's such a very great deal. And you can make it perfect for buying skirt dresses or any designs you want. I ordered 2 red color and color brush for my design. They are so beautiful. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.